Good afternoon, everyone. It's your boy ATL Wealth Creators here, and I'm here to give you a brief tutorial on how I trade and make money in the Forex market. Alright, if you guys are new to the Forex market, the first thing you guys need to do is to get a broker. The broker that you do need and the broker that I do recommend is Forex Broker Inc. They're a great broker. They have never gave me any trouble, and the account is free to set up. You will need to deposit a minimum of $100. Do everything that they request from you, and then you'll be able to start trading. Before that happens, you need to download MetaTrader 4 for your desktop, and also download MetaTrader 4 for your mobile. Okay, this is the account that you need. Now, once you get everything set up, you're going to come here to a chart. The first thing that you need to do is to look at a chart. You need to go to File. You need to go to New Chart. And let's just open up the USD Japan. Okay. Now this is a 1 hour time frame. As you can see here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch it to the daily chart. Matter of fact, let me get a better chart up here. Hold on one second. Let's go to File, New Chart, Great Britain USD. Okay. Make sure you come up here and you need to right click this area, your time frame area, go to Customize, and you need to remove the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, and the 1 hour time. These are considered lower time frames and can cause fake outs and confusion on which way to go. Especially if you don't have time to sit in front of your computer and watch the market, you do not want to be trading off these time frames. And for me, I like to do things that I want to do. I use Forex for extra money. Forex has helped me quit my job in the last month, so I'm not changing my trading techniques for anything. I'm going to stick to my main 4 weapons, which is the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, the monthly. Your daily chart is going to be considered your bread and your butter. This is your money maker here, guys. Your daily charts, for me at least. Now, press Control G. Again, that's Control G to get the grid off. And this is how a regular candlestick chart looks. Now, I do not trade off a candlestick chart, regular candlestick chart. I trade off a candlestick chart called the Heikin Ashi. It was developed by Japanese traders. It's a form of technical analysis, and it basically predicts the market. It predicts what's going to happen next. So what does Heikin Ashi look like, and how do I trade off of it? Okay, the first thing that's first is that you need to come to Insert, okay, Indicators, Moving Average. You need to add your 50-day moving average. You can make it any color that you want. It doesn't matter what color you make your 50-day. Simple, apply the close moving average, but it needs to be 50, and press OK. After you do that, you need to go to Insert, Indicators, Custom, Heikin Ashi. Now you can change your bull. Your only candles you're going to change is the shadow of your bull candlestick and the bull candlestick body. Now you can change those to whatever color you want. I like dark green, so those are the colors I'm going to change my candles to. You again can change it to any color that you want. This is how the candlestick chart looks. Now there's still not clarity in this, so I'm going to show you how to provide clarity with this chart. You need to right click the chart, go to Properties, where it says bar up, bar down, bull candle, and bear candle. You need to change those colors to none. Okay, every single candle, change every single category I just told you about, change to none, and press OK. Now you can see it more clearly. As you can see, streaks of green and streaks of red. Okay, these Heikin Ashi candlesticks are very, very reliable for me. As I said before, I quit my job off of this. Uh, right now, I've started this account with $50. I'm very cool with the broker, so once you get nice with the broker and they know that you can make money, they'll let you start the account with any amount of money. So right now, I started with $50 last week. Now I have $96 in there, uh, and this is how I trade. Okay. Basically what I do is I wait for prices to cross this 50-day moving average. Once prices cross this 50-day moving average, I wait for a pullback. And here is demonstrated a pullback. Something attempting to go across against the trend. Okay? I wait for this, and then when the candle closes green again, that gives me confirmation that I should get in this candle and get in this trade. So I did enter this trade here on May 7th. I entered this trade here, and I rolled this trade up almost about I was looking for about 500 pips, but it kept going. So I initially got out here for 510 pips, which was perfectly fine for me. That's a lot of money for me. That can be equivalent to $510, depending on how many trades you put up there. I put on a lot of trades there, so that was about $5,000 I made in 7 days. Or it's $51.09. It's basically whatever you choose to trade with. But for this purposes, I have to show people how to trade. So for this account purposes, I only trade with low risk. I don't use high risk because of my amount. I need to show people how to grow their account so they can use more risk to make more money. Okay, so again, when price is above the 50-day moving average, that signals a buy. But you must wait for the pullback. Okay, must wait for a red candlestick close. Once you wait for one red candlestick close, you know you need to enter that trade. Sometimes, things happen like this. Okay, you wait for you try to get in the candlestick as soon as it closes, and it does this. Now you would have lost money because you didn't wait for the pullback initially. Okay, that's why I say wait for the pullback. There's no rush into making money. Trust me, you will get there. Okay, you will get there to wherever you're trying to reach, whatever your financial goals is. You want to make 1,000 a week, you want to make 5,000 a week, you want to make a million, whatever it is. I know I have my goals, and this is helping me achieve my goals much faster than it is for working for someone. So what I'm going to do now for this trade here, I am looking for a buying opportunity. Now you ask me why I'm looking for a buying opportunity. Because this green candlestick closed above the 50-day here, and it did a pullback here. It didn't go below the 50-day moving average, and now is building a green candle, which I told a couple of people that's already following me that it was going to do. If it rejected this, if price was rejected by this 50-day, it was going to bounce up green. Now this right here is a buying opportunity for me. I'm not going to buy this candle until 5 p.m. Eastern time when another green candle builds. So initially what I do for here, I would have waited for this. I would have watched the pullback, and then once this candle here closed green, I'm going in on this candle here because it's going to open up green, and that's what I want to see. I'm going to hold this candle here, and I'm not going to get out until the candle changes colors. Okay, that's your only way you're getting out of this candle, when it changes colors. That is the only way that you get out of this candle, when it changes colors. This is how you trade. This is how I trade the Heikin Ashi. If you find a better way to trade the Heikin Ashi, let me know. Comment on the video. Do whatever you need to do. Contact me. Message me on YouTube. Whichever way you need to feel necessary to get in contact with me. But this is how I trade. This is what's made me money. This is what helped me quit my job. I'm not waking up doing a 9 to 5 no more, or the 1 to 8, 1 to 9. I'm not doing that anymore. I basically work for myself, and I'm making a lot more money than I did working a full-time job. So that's how I trade in a nutshell. This is how I trade. There's several trading opportunities. But if there's any questions, you can contact me and message me here. Some of you guys have my number. You can text me. If you have any questions, just contact me again on YouTube. And that's about it. That's everything in a nutshell. You guys have a good afternoon, and good luck to your new trading techniques.